On Saturday, 133 members who participated in a trip to Qadian, India, were blessed with the opportunity to have a photo with Hazrat Khalifatul Masih V, may Allah be his helper. The one-week trip took place in October of this year and was organized by Majlis Khuddam al-Ahmadiyya UK for Atfal members to visit Qadian and learn about the rich history of the Jamaat and its humble beginnings. Prior to the members' arrival in Qadian, Jamaat Ahmadiyya India scheduled various visits to historical sites, including the Qutub Minar and Taj Mahal. After visiting Qadian, the members then also visited Hoshiarpur and Ludhiana. During the photo session, Huzoor graciously asked the members about their experiences, and some Atfal members shared their thoughts on the trip.
Assalamu alaikum, Pyara Huzoor. Alhamdulillah, the trip to India and Qadian was very enjoyable and entertaining. Alhamdulillah, all the activities we participated in were very exciting and informative. This includes the trip to the Taj Mahal and the trip to Qutub Minar, and the amazing hospitality we received in Qadian. However, even after all this, the highlight of the trip was exploring all the holy places in Qadian and praying in Masjid al-Aqsa, Masjid Mubarak and Better Dua, increasing our spiritual awareness. It was a great experience waking up at 2 a.m. to pray the Hajj at Better Dua, or even going at 12 p.m. to pray with my brother and father. After Fajr, we would go to Besti Maqbara to visit the Promised Messiah ﷺ's grave. Furthermore, the Murabbis, who were also our tour guides throughout Qadian, gave us inciting information about the history of the Jamaat. They showed us Betul Masoor, the printing press, and all the Qadian expeditions, including the photo gallery and the expedition of the history of the Jamaat. Furthermore, it was very informing and exciting how we visited the places where the Promised Messiah once lived and where he was birthed and where his grave is now placed. When we were travelling back to the UK, we were able to visit both Hoshiarpur and Ludhiana, where we were given a full police escort. Alhamdulillah, the trip to Qadian has increased my spiritual awareness and has made me feel more closer to the Jamaat, and hopefully, inshallah, I can go to Qadian again in the near future, inshallah. Jazakallah Huzoor.
The experience as a whole has completely invigorated my love for my faith, my namaz, my Khalifa, and helped me to realize that it's those things in life we should place importance on. Alhamdulillah, I can say that this trip has changed my life and will inshallah keep me close to Islam and the Jamaat for the rest of my life. Jazakallah.